Okay, I'm at 1087, lot 1087. It is the Rutledge floor plan here in Herring's Walk. You are one home site away from the corner. There is no green space on this side. This is at the end of the road. This is your neighbors across the way. Such a cute little neighborhood. Oh my goodness. Let's go on in. So still plenty of porch space, 8-foot porches, nice spot for a swing, some Adirondack chairs. Let's go on in. Remember, the Rutledge is the one that the stairs come straight down to your foyer. So it kind of eats into your foyer here, but it actually, they push the foyer back to right there. So you've got your coat closet here. I've got to remember not to touch things because I'm messing them up. And then this is the foyer. But coming back to the front, I have got your lovely master bedroom down here. And remember, you're going to have some blinds or frost these windows, put some curtains in, or in the evening, you're going to have every peeping Tom. I'm just kidding. There's not. But you are going to be getting to know your neighbors that way. Don't forget, double sink vanity. Don't know what the countertops are going to be yet. She's going to send us that selection, but it's probably going to be pretty spot on with what the other one was, because so far I'm seeing all of the same tile, and you're getting a rain head shower, and tile is going all the way up. This is brushed nickel edging, so that's probably what you're going to get in your fixtures. Nice spot here for a piece of furniture or a vanity. This is for your toilet. And then again, your big closet. And that will be your smart center. That's not your breaker box. That's your smart center for your like modem and all that. Here we go. Moving forward, this is your laundry room. I can't touch anything. I've already touched something. But this laundry room goes like that. And this is where your breaker box is. Right here is your half bath. That is going to be the toilet. And I can't get my arm around without touching everything, but that's going to be the half bath sink. And then this is your great room. This will be where your dining room area is at. Look how wide it is. And then you circle on around. Oh, and again, you have these lovely double doors, so you can put your TV right there, so you can never miss the action from your kitchen. Now, the Rutledge, these two Rutledges that you've seen, do not have the gourmet kitchen. Yes, there's an architectural element to the cabinets, but there is a built-in microwave, that's going to go there. There's a drop-in stove, and then that's your refrigerator. Love the island. It's going to be a nice big island with the wrap of shiplap. And then your dishwasher is going to be in here. Again, not knowing what your countertops are going to be, you'll have to check that. But if I pull on these cabinets, well, that didn't work. These do not have soft close. None of these have soft close. Nope. So the Elliott did, these did not. This is your pantry, smaller than the Elliott. Sorry, I'm trying to think and figure out where I want to be next. Talk and think. That's just too hard for me. Just kidding. So here is your backyard. This is the green space that you can still capture for the pups. Here's your patio. Again, another 8-footer. And then this is a wider yard space than, say, that Elliott. There is probably an additional 3 feet. But just like that Elliott, you are getting more driveway. Must have just poured this recently because it's still got the plastic around it. just moving back here so you can see it. So here's, if you were coming in, we're coming in this way. And again, plenty of slab for 2 cars. Still, you could park in there, but you still have street parking too. Got the cute little dormer on the back. Not dormer, but window, just like in the front. All right, let's go upstairs. Okay, no treads have been put on here yet. So again, this one's a little bit further out. But coming up the stairs, ta-da! Big, grand loft. Big windows on this side. Decorative windows on this side. Here's that front bedroom. Walk-in closet. Again, I don't have any shelves yet, so it's hard to see. But this little nook will be really cute for a desk or sitting area. Yeah. And these guys have cleaned all this stuff out. This is your balcony. Remember, the last Rutledge didn't have a balcony, so that's why this one seems a little different. And you have lots of space up here. Now, your master's downstairs, so other than coming up here to work, I don't know how often you'll use it. I think you're going to use your upstairs for family, and they're going to use the balcony. You're probably going to use your porches. This is the guest bath. Remember, it'll have 1 sink and then a counter space, you know, all one counter space, and then tub, toilet. There's no lights here yet. We have no lights. Then this will be your linen. These doors are not as grand on the 2nd floor, remember. These are only 5-panel doors. And then these 2 rooms mirror themselves, and they have the walk-in closet. So see how big the space is? You just have to imagine the racks. Go back and watch the other one. That one's a little farther along. So yeah, the same. It's like flip-flopped. There's the Jack and Jill, but the Harry Potter space. So you're gonna get some plywood. Oh, see how big? All right, I gotcha. That's that big loft. All right, so I videoed all 3. Give me a call.